morning. Good morning, guys. How are ya? How's everything going? Hola. Morning, morning. Okay, let's go through with my watch list today. Let's go through the watch list today. What levels I'm looking to play. So for Spy in the queue, you guys have my levels here. I don't really love Spy, but I'm gonna look for the Q500 or 496. Like 496 resistance, it can act as support, which is acting as support right now. I'm gonna look to play the upside till 500, and then around 500, I'll see if the Q is gonna reject there or if it's gonna break it out. So if the Q breaks 500, we'll play the upside there, right? For stocks, my main watches today are, the main one is Disney, this falling wedge here, beautiful falling wedge. I want to see it holding Friday low. We have Palo Alto. You guys know that I'm already on a swing in Palo Alto. It has a big gap above that it hasn't been filled. So as long as it's holding this little level here, I think it's pretty bullish. Next we have Palo Alto and Shop. I think are plays that it can play it out any day this week. I don't know if it's gonna happen today, but those are moves that I'm looking for this week. The other one is Shop. You guys, it's the same, pretty much the same play that we did like 2 weeks ago. I don't know, a week and a half ago. So I think as long as Shop is holding above 63, I think it's pretty bullish. You guys have it with more details here on my watch list. We have Nvidia, Microsoft. I really like Microsoft. If can hold this 453, 452 level here, it looks kind of bullish to me. It's a very strong level of support. Let's see, if it goes under, I'm not gonna look to trade the downside on Microsoft. And so my main watches are Disney, and the other one that I'll be looking to play today, like I really want to play today, is MDB. This one here, it has a huge gap here. We talked about this one, I think 2 weeks ago or last week, I don't know, and I was waiting for a pullback. Finally, we got this pullback, so I'm looking to play it if can hold Friday high as support or 250. So yeah, that's my watch list for, I will say, this week. Like always, you guys have it on my Discord, and the link is down below on the description of the video. So okay, so we have the market open. Let's see what Palantir is doing. Okay. Palantir need to break that 2850. It's been like fighting that level. Let's see if that's gonna happen this week. I have a gap up on the Q, also on Spy. Spy is right at resistance. Apple just wants to keep going and going. Friday low is the level that I'm watching on Nvidia. Meta could be another one. It looks just like Nvidia, to be honest. Friday low will be the level to watch. Okay, Disney. Disney's moving. That's the one. I'm buying the 100 contract for next week. You guys, if you want, you can also buy for like weekly for this week. But I'm taking my time with that one. The 100 contracts for these weeks are very, very cheap. I also got weeklies because why not? Why not? I like this Q hold here. Trading view not working? I don't know, I haven't tried anything. Let's see. Let's see if it's not working. Let's go with NQ, let's go with 40, let's see if it's gonna buy me. Yeah, it's not working. Didn't buy me anything, so yeah, trading view is not working. Well, I guess we're only gonna be able to trade options today. Okay, so we have Disney Swing. Gonna wait and see if MDB it's gonna break. So far it's rejecting Friday high. I wanna see it holding it. Yeah, I'm sorry, I never stream on Fridays. I didn't trade. I don't think I traded at all. Microsoft guy. Microsoft is holding 452, 453. I like that one. That was the level that I talked about on my Discord this morning. Gonna go with 460 on Microsoft. My stop loss is Friday's low. And I got the 460 for this week. Stop loss is Friday's low. Under Friday's low. Look at that. I wanted to go long here. Breaking trade of 8. This hold was so clean. That was my trade. The other one, the next one is 500. MPD is getting pressed in here. Let's see if it's gonna hold. You guys watched the game last night? That game was so good. So good. I wanted Argentina to win so bad. But Colombia played very good. That game was so stressful. They were so close to a score all the time. It was so good. Ooh, I won! I won the Pickleball tournament. I won $8,000. But it was too easy. I was on a beginners category. I think I need to go one up. But yeah, I won. Soccer is the best. Also tennis, Alcalá, he led. He killed Djokovic. Palo Alto, guys. If you are not in Palo Alto, this is your entry. With the stop loss around 325. But yeah, look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this gap. Huge gap here. Has like another very small gap here, but the main gap is from earnings. And then broke this resistance, gap up above that resistance, and now it's holding that resistance. So I think it looks pretty good until if it keeps holding this level here as support. I think it's extremely bullish. We just need to buy time with this one. Pretty much buy, put alert near the stop loss, and then forget about it. Baseball? My grandpa is fan of baseball. I find baseball boring. I don't know why. Okay, MDB. Let's go with that one. Let's see. This thing needs time. Okay. This one needs time to play it out. If you guys want to play this entire gap, it's gonna need time. But if I buy 1 month out, it's crazy expensive. So I don't think I'm gonna play the entire gap. Even 3 weeks out, it's crazy expensive. I think I'm just gonna play a bounce here. Weekly. Let's see. I got the, let's see, the 260 for next week. I think I can easily go to this level here, 270, 265. But I'm not gonna play this. I don't think this entire gap is gonna play it out in like 2 weeks. But who knows? So I got the 260 for next week. Most likely I'm gonna lock most of my profits under 270. A little bit under 270. Clear reaction there. And then maybe I just wait for a break of that level and then play the upside again. My stop loss on that one is gonna be if any daily candle close under 240. If you have a stop loss, if you're already in a call, you should have your stop loss. You should know your stop loss before entering anything. But for me, the stop loss, it will be this week here. You can use that week, or you can use this low here, 495.20. Up to you. But I don't love, like, the play that I was looking was a quick bounce here with futures, because I don't like how SPY is at resistance. Oh, we have Powell speaking today, right? 12. Nvidia, we gotta watch Friday's low. It's Friday and Thursday low. That's a very important level to watch here on Nvidia. If you can really hold it, that's maybe a play for a bounce. I'm not gonna play that one. But if it goes under, that's a play for puts. That's a put play. I like how Meta is holding 495, but the market, it's not really moving. It's not doing anything. Palo Alto is looking beautiful. My BTs on Palo Alto are 350 and 360, so pretty much the gap. Yeah, this is a very good hold here on the Q. Let's see if we can have a move on Microsoft. Microsoft and Meta are holding very, very good. Apple 234, it's an important level also. It's holding 234, 233. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday high on Apple. GME, GameStop swing is also looking pretty good. $22% up on the Palo Alto swing. Yeah, and the Q is looking pretty good there. Yeah, very good hold here. I like that consolidation. It looks like it wants to boom boom. You guys on anything besides Francisco on the Q? Trade of it is still not working. Yeah, trade of it is not working. theory, that swing, anyone on that swing is perfection. We pretty much bought the lowest of the lowest, and we have a lot of time. That chart looks so bullish, it's ridiculous. And Papa Buffett bought a lot of shares. Why wouldn't I hold Palantir? Tell me a reason why not. Like, what's the plan? Why you guys ask me if I'm holding it if it is not even near my stop loss? Like, there's no reason why I would not be holding my Palantir swing. It's up 22% already. Not even near my stop loss, so what's the reason for me to not hold that one? Just look at the daily. The daily looks super bullish. And I also explained that my PT is 30. Palo Alto, guys, it's boom booming. Microsoft is holding very, very good so far. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. Okay. Palantir trying to break that 2850 resistance. Yeah, I talked about about that last week. I said how I was not looking to trade tech stocks like the Magnificent Seven, because those things are so high that for me the risk to reward is not even there right now. So yeah, the rotation is into a small caps, or anything that is not tech. That always happen, always. After you have huge move on the queue, on the big, like I will say top 10 tech stocks, you gotta start looking for trades outside those stocks. Beautiful breakout on Palantir. Disney holding 97. MDB looks like it wants to boom boom. Looks like it's getting ready. Shop looks like it wants to retest 63. Palantir, I want to see it breaking pre-market high. If Palantir can break pre-market high, that thing is gonna boom boom. I don't like how Amazon move. Most likely right now it's moving because of the Prime day coming, or is today. I don't know where is Prime, when is Prime Day, but I don't like how Amazon move. And why this freaking trade of 8 is not working? I was so ready to play this level here. 496. We had the perfect buy the dip opportunity with Palantir, which at least I got it, and I talk about that, and same thing with Palo Alto. Those were beautiful, beautiful, perfect buys. Yeah, Disney might take some time, but I still love it. I love it. I love that chart. Yeah, that was a perfect, like Palo Alto, it's been giving us so many opportunities to buy the dip. Like last week, the entire last week, today was a perfect retest of 330 again. It's not working on top step either. It's not only on apex. Let's see if it's working. Nope, still not working. So it's not working. So I'm gonna put you this chart that I'm looking at. CAD was another one that I was looking last week, but it kind of faked me out on a head and shoulder. Oh yeah, definitely. So on here, but it got rejected again, and yeah, that thing is gone. Too late. I don't like buying the top or buying high. I like buying low, like we did on Palo Alto and Palantir. That's how I trade. For me, CAD is too late. Morning. Ooh, FTX. What is FTX doing? Remember FTX from last week? Oh yeah. So FTX made a new all-time high. That's another entry to go long on FTX. I'm not gonna take it because I already have too many things open already. But yeah, this is the top. Remember that we talk about buying the dip here on the FTX or this Friday high, and at least I missed that entry. The next play, it's this high here on FTX. So if FTX can hold this previous all-time high as support, that's your entry. That's your entry. Yeah, I did. I did win. I did win. But for me, I win $1,000 and I got paid from Apex today, so I'm having a very good day so far and weekend. But no, I think I felt, even though I won the tournament, I don't feel too good because I feel it was too easy, which is weird. It was a little bit weird. It was a tournament for beginners, which I feel I'm a beginner, but I guess I'm an intermediate right now. Maybe because I have a tennis background, I don't know. But yeah, the next one, if I can find another one, intermediate, I'll play on that. But honestly, I don't like playing tournaments because when I was little, when I was like between like 12 and 15, I used to go to tournaments like playing tennis, and I always did really bad in tournaments. I think I'm not a good player under pressure. And I don't know why, because I'm not the type of person like, oh, we're just here playing. No, I always play to win. But I don't know, I get really like nervous, I guess, with people watching me when I go to tournaments. $30% up on Palo Alto because I kept buying the dip there. Oh, let's change this. Well, but yeah, so FTX, very good one. If you can hold previous all-time high, that's your entry for this one. Thank you, thank you. Palo Alto. I want to see Palo Alto finally going to 350. It needs to break, needs to hold 343. I'm sorry, 344. 344, 346 for support. But so far, it's looking beautiful. We're looking Gucci here. Let's take this out. Like this. Disney's being very weak, but we could go to Friday's low, and that's the level I want to see holding. Like, I want to see holding this 96 support, right? This support here. This one is looking pretty good also. Let's see shop. Oh, nice bounce on shop. Nice bounce on shop. I don't think we can expect much from shop today, but I think again it's a very good opportunity if can hold above 63. Palantir again rejecting the same level. This breaking level needs to break. Yeah, it was a singles game. And I don't like playing pickleball singles. I like playing doubles. What a boring day. Like, the spy is doing nothing, but is right at resistance. The Q, beautiful, 496 hold. I was expecting for the Q to, if this was my plan. So if the Q can hold 496, I was expecting the Q to move to 500. That was my plan for today. But we can see here, where is it? We can see here that this entire area is acting as resistance, all this. And the Q is still not even near there. It's going up, but not a way that I'll be trusting this move to the upside. Let's see if tradeaway is still not working. Yep, still not working. Dude, that's an ugly rejection on Palantir. Rejecting pre-market high. That's ugly. But look at this beauty. Let's see what Tesla is doing. My computer is acting super slow. Yeah, this high here. If Tesla can break that high, it's gonna boom boom. Yeah, that high. That's Thursday high. I think I'm gonna leave, guys, because I cannot play futures. Look, the queue looks like it wants to go to my target, which is 500. Be a little careful around 499 because we can see it has a little bit of resistance here. But this is boring for me. Like the way that I trade options, I just buy, put alerts, and I don't really check the charts. The only reason why I do the stream is to trade with you guys futures, and I cannot trade futures, so I'm bored. How you guys doing today? Green, red, waiting for another trade? Nvidia so far is holding very good. The Q is looking pretty bullish. SPY is not doing anything, but it's looking bullish too. Nvidia needs to break the VWAP. I think Palo Alto is gonna go to 350 this week. Hopefully can fill the entire gap this week. Now, market is waiting for Powell, but I'm not gonna be waiting for him. And I'm not gonna be here trading when he's talking. Like, there's no reason why. You guys saw how the market moved. When was it? On Friday and Thursday and Friday? When he spoke in front of the Congress, the market was super shitty. Why do you want to trade that? $464. That's all-time high, right? Yeah, 464. Yeah, that's a valid trade. But I honestly don't like how SPY is moving. I think the Q is moving way cleaner than SPY. Oh yeah, 564 the valid trade. Anyone bought the dip, the 495 hold on Meta. That was extremely clean. I like that hold here on Apple also. I like how Apple, this is what I'm looking on Apple. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I have a lot of stuff, a lot of swings open already. But this is what I'm looking at on Apple. So Apple is holding this previous resistance as support. That's what I like on Apple. So even if it goes lower, but it keeps holding 233, 230, even 230, 250. I like it more 233, which was this high, Wednesday high of last week. I think it's pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. And if Apple can break the VWAP, I think it's gonna boom boom. But yeah, very clean break, retest. This kind of looks like a flag. Meta is looking beautiful. Look at this. I talk about Meta support here. Friday's low support. Look at this perfection. 496. That one. Look at this clearly showing that it didn't want to go lower. Look at these wicks, especially these two, and then you have this one. Yeah. Next resistance, I would say it's around here. Is your resistance on Meta. If Meta can break this high here, 513, it's gonna boom boom to this high, 531, 528. Yeah, Palo Alto was very thin. Yeah, Disney is still inside this huge. This is what I like about Disney. It's inside this huge wedge. Strong support here around 596. I'm sorry, around 96. That's why that's my stop loss. I don't wanna see any daily candle closing under 96, even 95. It can be 95.30. Yeah, it can be like basically this support here, right? We want to see it holding this support here. Let's see how the volume here. Okay, so the volume is going lower. which is what I want to see on a downtrend. I want to see the volume going lower, and then I want to see it holding this support, and then boom. First PT is 100 and then 104. I don't know if it's gonna go to 104 this week, but definitely if keeps holding this level here, it can definitely go to 100. What else? What else? Shop. Look at this weekly chart. What is this weekly chart telling us? Look at all these wicks here. Doesn't want to go under this level of support, is around 63. And if we see the daily, we can see this huge gap here. Big gap here. So this is why I said on my Discord that this play is most likely like the same play that we did on Shop. It was 10 days ago, 2 weeks ago, I don't even remember. But yeah, so we have a dip down still 68. And to play the gap, it's better to wait until it breaks this 68, 69 level of resistance, and then we can play the gap here. It's not breaking out. SPY is not breaking out. This is still holding there. Yeah, it looks bullish, but no. The one that is really moving is the Q, and I'm so mad that I missed these 496 hold that I had it on my mind. That was my plan for today. Freaking trade of it. That was my plan for today. Look at this. So gapping up pre-market above 96 resistance. If can hold it at support, I believe the Q could move easily to 500. And then 500 is a key level to watch to play a breakout or a rejection. That was so easy. But it is what it is. I want to see the volume here, the red volume here on Shop going a little bit, going lower. It's still a little bit high. What a beauty. What a beauty. I want to see Palo Alto breaking this high here. That's the level of resistance that we want to see Palo Alto breaking. If it can really break that, it's gonna boom boom. Well, it's already boom booming. Palantir looking beautiful. Hopefully can hold pre-market high. We want to see Palantir holding this level here. This one here. Needs to hold that level. We can really hold it there. That's another entry to play the upside. Right, we want to see that level acting as support now. Who was the one that it was holding the Q pulse? Trade of 8 is not working. Trade of 8 is not working. Trade of 8 is not working. Okay. Come on, Microsoft. Go and boom boom. Go and boom boom. I'm 100% up. I'm 100% up on Palantir. On 66% up. I'm here waiting for Microsoft. Microsoft only. So far, it's looking pretty good. It's holding very, very good. Look at Apple. Anyone on Apple? See, trade of 8 is still not working. I'm looking a little bit of profit here on Palantir because I'm over 100% up. So, looking beautiful. No reason why not locking profits, at least a little bit, making that trade completely free. Waiting for Microsoft to boom boom. Okay, we are here. 499 and 500 are key levels here on the queue. Very important. If we see the daily, guys, look at this level here, this level here, 30-minute candles also. Look at this, resistance here, getting close to that big resistance level. So if you're on the Q calls, I will take a little bit of profit, even though it looks very bullish. I still will lock profits here. How's the DJT, the Trump media stock moving today after what happened to Trump? Let's see. So Mr. Trump. You guys think that's real? I don't know. What I can see is clear support here. If it can hold that support, that's very bullish. If it goes under, no reason to trade this one. But I think, yeah, if it can really hold that one, that support, it was very strong support here, strong resistance. Now, so far is acting as support. So if it can really hold that level, it's a good risk to reward to play the upside. Dude, that's awesome. Congrats. Congrats. We are killing the swing trades. My biggest one this year was CRM. You guys have no idea how much money I made with CRM. What an ugly reaction on Disney. Oh, let's see what coin is doing. Coin, it's been a mess lately. Ooh. Very good hold of 235. 235 break and retest. That was clean here. 235. But still it's not a clean chart. It's very messy. Whereas AMD, it's doing nothing. Beautiful rejection of this level here. Come on, Microsoft. Microsoft is moving. Put you Microsoft here. Yeah, Microsoft. Oh, it had earnings next week. Ooh. Microsoft with the boom boom. The Q rejecting 499. TSM earnings on Thursday. That might affect Nvidia and AMD, but I wouldn't play TSM earnings. Come on, Microsoft break 456. I want to see Microsoft breaking Friday high. And Apple is rejecting the VWAP. Meta looking beautiful. It looks like it wants to go to 510. Anyone on Meta? Meta was super clean. Oh yeah, Microsoft moving. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Beautiful entry. Looking great. I don't know why, but I have a big headache. 456 looks kind of like a heavy resistance here. Yeah. Look at this. From Friday till today. Needs to break that. I want to see Microsoft breaking that resistance. Anyone on Microsoft with me? Ooh, SPY is going for all-time high again. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. We have in Palantir, we have another reaction of the same level. 344, 346. MDB is doing nothing, but he's holding. I like that hold. I like this hold. I like this hold here. What is Nvidia doing? Not much, but I like this hold also. Let's say this. 128, 127. 128, 127. You on Microsoft, baby? That's awesome. Let's see what Duke is doing, the one that I missed last week. Oh, yeah. This was a perfect play. Sadly, I missed this move. Hopefully any of you guys got it because I post this trade. I post this chart on my Discord. Obviously before this move happened. What else? RH. Bro, look. Freaking RH. Stop me out right at the bottom of this freaking candle. Stop me out. Only to gap up huge and then fill the gap. Literally fill the gap in like 3 days. And it took like 2 weeks of consolidation here. Eating up my contract money. Eating up my money only to stop me out right here at the lowest. And then boom. I hate you. Let's see FDX. Well, a retest of the VWAP or 302.50, if it holds there, that's a good entry to play the long side to go down here on FDX. Let's see what UPS is doing. Man, my computer is so slow. Whoa. What's going on here? Man, I was looking this on Sunday, but I was like, I don't want to trade this one because it's taking forever inside this range. Look at that. Big boom boom. Big Boom, boom. I had time. It's just I didn't like it how I had time on the RH contract. I just didn't like it how how weak it was looking here, right? So I didn't like these two candles were the one that made me get stop out on when when it was moving lower here, because these two candles were very clear reactions, right, of these resistance. I was expecting for this resistance to act as support, right? But then you have 2 days that rejected, and this third day it went under, like rejected again. And then when I got out, the daily candle was looking just like this one in here. So for me, it was looking like a 3-bar play to the downside, or just a reaction, right? And by looking at this reaction, then this one, I was like, okay, this thing is just gonna go lower. And I thought it was gonna go lower and fill this little gap here. That's why I got out of RH, because you have one reaction here, two, and then you have the third candle that at the time when I got out, it was all red, looking very ugly. It was looking very ugly. And I was like, okay, so this thing is gonna go lower and fill this little gap and then maybe bounce here. I was not expecting this huge. In fact, if you really look at this move, it's very weird move. Like, why you have these two huge big move here and then just fill the gap? You can say maybe this is a flag, maybe, but it was very choppy, like very choppy. Let's see if we can trade here. Anything? Nope. Trade Ovate is still not working. We have Powell at 12, and I'm having an ugly headache, like a really bad headache. So I'm done for today, guys. Okay, beautiful Palantir, swing. I still think Palantir has a lot more to give. It just needs to break this high here. There's a very strong level of resistance. If it can break that resistance, so if we have a break, retest. I'm sorry, this is Palo Alto, not Palantir. Palo Alto. So if you can really break that, why is not showing my? You can really break that. I think it's gonna go to 350, and then the entire gap is 360. I like shop here hold, like I said before. If it can hold above 63, I still think shop it can give us a big move to 68 and then the big gap. Palantir, yeah, still not working. Palantir, okay, beautiful break of this high that's been fighting for days. Now we just want to see it holding. We just want to see holding that high, and the next move, like my PT is 30, so maybe you can have a pullback here and then move higher. I don't know, but I'm holding my entire position I have for this week and next week till it hits 30, or if it goes under this 28 level, 28.40 level, most likely I'll be out. NDB, MDB. Yeah, I want to see it holding 350. I think it still looks pretty good. It's doing nothing, but I do like the consolidation here. And yeah, it's another possible gap fill. I don't think it's gonna fill this gap this week, and the contracts are kind of expensive for this entire gap, but I do think it looks like it wants to boom boom to at least this high here, and then if it can really break this high, the next one is gonna be this gap fill here. And what else? Oh, Microsoft looking fantastic. Oh, it's raining strong outside. Okay, so we have Microsoft needs to break Friday high. Here we have it. Let me clean this a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it wants to. It looks like it wants to break this high here. Friday high, morning high, needs to break that. Pretty much just like Palo Alto and Palantir. If can really break that high, the next one is gonna be, the next resistance is around 458, even 459 or 460. If can hold 460 as support, that thing is gonna go to 465. But yeah, Microsoft is looking amazing, looking beautiful. So basically, watch out for this morning high. If can break it, it's gonna keep going higher. If cannot break it, it's just gonna reject and maybe play around this hold range, right? But we're looking pretty good. Sadly, I missed this move here on the queue, but that's life. So thank you guys for being here. I'll see you mañana.